What's up, everyone? Good evening. It is Wednesday, November 1st, 2023. It's just after 11 p.m. It is a chilly 41 Fahrenheit, 7 Celsius. And I'm going on a bike ride here on a used electric bicycle from my friend, Rad Power Bikes. Now, I've never ridden an electric bicycle before, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a test ride tonight. Just maybe to Henry Boulevard and back. Please comment down below if you think I should invest in an electric bicycle or not. Without further ado, let's go ahead and give this a go. I think we're good to go in traffic. He's going to the right. Wait for these cars to go, and then I'm going to go ahead and go. Here we go. Oops. There you go. I haven't ridden a bike like this in years over in this area. The last time I did this was in 2019. I have this on the first gear right now, by the way, too. Doing 19 miles an hour. Go over here and make a U-turn. Oops. A really cold ride. You have to be very vigilant with the Georgia drivers. You never know if they're gonna turn in front of you or not. That's really anywhere in the country, though, and anywhere in the world. You just have to be a very vigilant cyclist. I'm gonna go down Henry Boulevard a little and then make a U-turn and come back around here. I was actually going to ride tomorrow, but I think that's just a bit too risky. I want to stay where there are lights. There's a street to get there, but there's no lights over there, so I'm not going to risk it. Going to put it on maximum mode, but I'm going to ride with traffic. Whoa, this thing takes off. $20 miles an hour. $21. pedal assist. Going up a hill now. Let's see how fast we go up the hill. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Struggling up this hill. We're already down to 3 bars. 12. Down to 3 bars right now. Picking up speed now. My ears are so cold right now. They are so cold. Very good driver. He went ahead of me and then made his right. This bike doesn't have a chain on it, so I'm just pretty much just riding all on electric power. It was at 3 bars, now it's back up to 4. Really interesting. This light takes forever, but let's see. Car's still outjusting me. This has good acceleration though for an e-bike, to be honest with you, but I have to get more of a feel for different e-bikes before I can go ahead and judge it, you know? Move my scarf out of the way here. I'll put it like this. That way it won't get in the way of the video. That should do it. I'm only wearing a denim jacket and it's still very cold. A denim jacket and a long sleeve, and that cold air is coming through my outfit. That was a very quick acceleration, going downhill. Let's go over here. There are no cars coming, so I'll just make a U-turn. No cars coming that way. I'm very impressed with this. I have this at the maximum settings, the maximum acceleration, and this thing does take off pretty well going down a hill. It takes off mediocre going up a hill though, however, but in traffic so far, very low traffic by the way, it seems to be doing a fairly good job. Thank you, sir. About 20 miles an hour. Light is at the wrong angle. We're coming up to a huge hill, so we'll see how it does. Should start gliding down this one with no problem. I'm just going to go ahead and run the red light, and I have to. I'm going too fast to stop. It's a right-hand lane here. Let me get over. Okay, so the cars have to go to the right like that guy. The light rubbing on the wheel. Still doing 12 miles an hour up the hill though, not bad. Let's see. Full speed ahead. Let's see. That's meh. But we're going up a pretty decent incline though, however. Let's go over to the left over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you. That was a police officer doing that. He had to get going there, but all these cars are going to the left. I have to cross over. That's Clayton County Police. Okay, here we go. Clayton County Police, man. There you go. Well, that ends my review of the Rad Power Bikes bicycle, electric bicycle, e-bike. Please drop a like. Let me know what you thought about the ride. I think Stockbridge is an interesting place to ride a bicycle, Stockbridge, Georgia. It's not really bike friendly, so I wouldn't really recommend to ride it in Stockbridge, but it seems fairly good on hills, but it really takes off better going downhill. But anyway, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone, and stay safe. And ride safe. There you go.